Okay, so you want to be the best duct cleaner in the neighborhood. You're gonna need the right tools. Introducing the new CobraView camera system. A system that improves your ability to clean and impress your customers. A system that makes you more competitive and ultimately more profitable. This system provides you with all the tools you need to perform a complete and quality cleaning service. The CobraView system has been designed solely for the purpose of duct cleaning with simplicity. A complete system comprises of the magnet camera and the forward skip camera. The forward skip camera is two tools in one. It serves as a forward skip line by connecting your air pressure to the line, and an inspection camera so that you or your customer can see that you are removing all the debris from the vent line. The flexible tubing and machined aluminum camera housing are specifically designed to be able to move through ductwork and around corners with ease, enabling you to move all debris to the main trunk line. The skipper ball can be easily removed and replaced with other agitation tools. The magnet camera is designed for monitoring the cleaning of the main trunk lines. With the long-range focus capabilities of the high-pixel lens, you're able to see all the action of cleaning those large ducts and ensure nothing has been left behind. The built-in magnets and flexible head allow you to easily mount the camera anywhere on a heating system. The cameras transmit wirelessly to the 3.5-inch monitor, which has the ability to record the cleaning process via mini SD card. You can even have a second monitor so your customers watch as you clean or give them a recording of the cleaning as a proof of the quality work you provided them. The CobraView system is a truly unique and dedicated system, which is fast becoming a must in every duct cleaner's bag of tools. CobraView. See, clean, impress. It's time to become legendary.